Good morning. My name is Yanzi Shan and I am from class 3C. Today I made some instruments and I will show you what they are. This is a little instrument and when you shake it, it makes this sound. I used sticks, a tissue roll and paper to wrap it up and some rice. What happens in this that when I shake it, this vibrates and that the rice vibrate and that makes the rice move. So when they move, they create a sound like this. And this is just another example. I made a little guitar. What happens here that when I pluck it, the rubber bands vibrate and then they cause a sound. This is another example of a guitar.